Hey everybody, the cameraman here. Today is Monday, August 8th. It's 10:38 a.m. and I'm standing in front of Anaheim City Hall, and I'm going to pay the city attorney a visit because at the stop I witnessed just a few feet away down the street from the July 22nd DUI checkpoint, there was a stop. And the woman said that they were going to ban these, that the police were going to ban her from the city of Anaheim for visiting medical marijuana dispensaries up and down Lincoln. And I asked the sergeant, he said he's not sure about that. And I asked him, would that be a question I would like to direct to the city's attorney's office? And he said, yes, absolutely. So that's what I'm going to do today. Ask the city attorney of the city of Anaheim whether or not they can ban people from the city of Anaheim, particularly ban people from the city of Anaheim for visiting medical marijuana. Is the city attorney in? I just have one question for him.
May I ask what your name is?
I'm the cameraman.
Am I being filmed at this time?
Yes, you're a public employee. I have every right to, safeguarded by the First Amendment of the United States Constitution.
Okay. So what would you like to speak to the city attorney about?
I'd just like to ask him a question. Does he have the authority to ban people from the city of Anaheim for visiting medical marijuana dispensaries?
You can have a seat, and I'll have someone come out to assist you. What is your name?
The cameraman.
The cameraman?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, cameraman.
See? And two, there's a camera right there. So she's not only being recorded by me, she's being recorded by the city itself. See, and there's another camera up there too. So she's got two cameras recording me. And she's worried about me recording her.
Hello, sir.
Good, how are you?
Can I switch you look on the third floor?
I'm just waiting for the city attorney to speak with him. I have a question to ask him.
All right, what are we retaining to?
Medical marijuana dispensaries and banning people from the city of Anaheim.
Okay. Also, were you up here filming at the same time?
Yes, he's a public employee.
Okay,
just like you are.
I understand that, but there's a, how should I say it? There's a guideline when you're filming people. Even though you have the right to do that, but it's not. You don't have the right to film a person in a roundabout way. Okay, all right. Basically, what I'm trying to say. Don't get me wrong. I'm not.
What?
Okay, let's do it. Give me my pen.
Okay, so apparently I have every right to film, but I can't film people? I have the right to film people, but I can't film people? So I've been waiting here for about 5 minutes now. Security has been called. I'll go ahead and get up now because I don't feel comfortable in a sitting down position while security is here. Good. I mean, I even recorded in the lobby before I made my way through the elevator. So I assume that the woman that has worked at the counter has become cowardly and she has locked herself in that room And I don't think she's going to come back out, nor is the city attorney, but we'll have to see. Yeah. Oh, there's a bowl of Jolly Ranchers. If I don't get to see the city attorney, I'm going to take one of them before I leave, because I do like Jolly Ranchers, and I at least should get something out of wasting my time here now. Because now we have security here, and I guess I don't know what we're waiting on. Myself, I'm just waiting to speak to the city attorney. I don't know what he's I mean, you can't make a public records request at the police department, and now you can't even speak to the city's own attorney. So, what are we doing here, sir? Am I going to speak to the city attorney? Are we waiting for APD to show up? What's going on?
I mean,
well, what's going on here? Am I going to see the city attorney? Or are we waiting for APD to show up?
yeah, I don't know. I don't have the answer to that.
Okay. Well, I'm just going to go back to waiting now, I guess. The security guard doesn't have an answer to that. So I guess we're gonna be waiting now. All I want to do is ask one question, and that is, Mr. or Mrs. City Attorney, I don't know if it's a man or a woman, but can officers or you ban people from the city of Anaheim for visiting medical marijuana dispensaries?
Good morning.
Good morning.
What are you waiting for, sir?
I'm waiting for the city attorney.
You have an appointment with them?
I'm just here to ask a question.
Because you need to know, the city attorney doesn't provide free legal services to
I'm not here for legal service or anything. I'm just here to ask a question, not for my case or anything. I just want to know the law.
Okay, but that's not a service that the city attorney provides to the...
Well, what I spoke to a Anaheim PD sergeant, and I asked him the very same question. He said he didn't know, and I go, well, is this a question I would like to direct to the city's attorney's office? And he told me, word verbatim, yes, absolutely.
Okay.
So somebody's lying to me here.
Well, I'm sorry you feel like someone's lying to you. The sergeant may not have been aware that this office doesn't provide that service to you directly.
Well, how do I find out the law then?
Well, you can look for an attorney that practices the type of law that you're looking for and ask for a consultation that way.
Okay, but this is not, I don't have any legal action pending against me. All I want to know is because I witnessed a Anaheim police stop, and the officers told the woman that they're going to ban her from the city of Anaheim for visiting medical marijuana dispensaries on Lincoln Avenue. And I said I don't think that's possible, and I will look into that. And I said the exact same thing to the sergeant when I just told you. Told me to come here with my question. That's what I'm here. I don't know what the big deal is. It's not going to take more than 5 seconds.
Well, see, the thing is...
Yes or no?
The thing is that, like I said, this office is the city attorney. It handles matters that the city is involved with, whether it be with litigation or in other matters, prosecutorial, property, etc. I can go back and see what's really drawing the attention, why you have a security person up here, is because you're filming inside the building, and in today's social stigma, it draws. I mean, it's not really funny when you think about it.
Well, sir, I hate to burst your bubble, but right behind you there's a camera right there, and right there, there's a camera right now. So you're being filmed as we speak by the city itself.
Those cameras, sir, and I'm going to ask you to stop filming.
No, sir, you're a public employee.
Yeah, listen. Those cameras do not...
Sir, your image is being broadcasted over the internet right now as we speak.
Okay, thank you. Those cameras do not record. They're for monitoring purposes. The security...
Yeah, I disagree with that.
Why would you disagree? What type
because,
of... Wait a minute. Let me finish.
Because you don't have...
What type of knowledge do you have, sir, that can contradict the statement I made about the security cameras monitoring and not recording?
Well, for one, I can't take your word. You're not a police officer.
I don't have to be.
You can lie to me, and you can legally lie to me, and I can't trust that. And two, why would you need 2 security cameras if it's just for monitoring? I mean...
Because one security camera cannot cover the entire area.
Well, yeah, you can. You just put one right there.
Are you a security camera expert, sir?
No, but it's just... I have my own security cameras,
okay,
so...
well, that's great. Let's not have a dialogue about something that...
Well, look... Well, who am I speaking with anyways?
Listen, I'm going to go back...
No, identify yourself. You're a public servant.
If you would please stop interrupting me so I can try to have some dialogue with you. I'm coming up here to try to help you get some sort of satisfaction to the purpose for which you entered this office.
Okay, well,
My name is Angel Garcia.
Okay.
I'm the security supervisor for the city of Anaheim. What I'm going to do, sir, is I'm going to try to go back here and get someone's attention and ask them if someone is available or can stop doing what they're doing to come out and have a brief conversation.
Okay.
Okay? Are you fine with that?
Yeah, it's just a yes or no answer.
Be right back.
So now the time is approaching the hour of 11. Been almost here sitting 15 minutes to answer a 1-minute question. And there's the other camera. Anaheim City Council. It appears the woman that mans the desk has just abandoned her post, and I guess she has locked herself in that room and she's not coming out. So I guess anyone that has calls or other business with the attorney besides me is gonna have to wait until I'm done. that is interesting. They have many interpretations available. I was glad to see that the city caters towards people that speak other languages. Two cameras going. And this is where I've been sitting. Just yes. Okay, now the time is officially 11:02 a.m. Been here waiting for 17 minutes now to speak to the city attorney. I mean, if he's in a meeting or something, that's understandable. But it's just it's gone complete pandemonium because someone with two cameras that doesn't work for the city is filming, but yet this lobby is full of cameras. Monitoring. So none of these cameras record, huh? It's all monitoring.
Sorry for the wait.
Okay.
They just reaffirmed what I already sort of
So bottom
to
line, he's just not going to come out and talk to me.
Well, it's not a service that the city attorney office provides. I asked where you could get some sort of, answer to your question,
Okay.
legal counseling. They said there's a legal aid foundation in the city of Anaheim that you can
Okay.
Google. They could give you that information either over the phone or in person.
Okay.
It's not something that they're directly involved with, so they don't
Okay.
have a lot of detail regarding that. Yeah, but unfortunately, that's not something that our city attorney's office does.
Okay. Well, does he even have authority to ban someone from the city of Anaheim?
I'm not a lawyer, so I don't.
Okay.
I wouldn't even venture to guess what is legal in that respect.
Okay, because it just seems to me there's some mumbo jumbo being thrown around here.
Possibly.
Because the saying, there is a little truth behind the legend. Now I'm pretty sure something here is true, but as far as the dispensary part goes, I don't think that's legitimate.
To my knowledge, there shouldn't be any marijuana medical dispensaries within the city.
That's as far as I'm aware.
Yeah, they were banned, I don't know, over a year ago, from what I can recall. So maybe, I don't know. I mean, I'm not a lawyer. I can't even,
Okay.
venture to say what's legal or not legal or whatever. I know very little to nothing about that matter. But if you want, down at the first lobby,
Okay.
I have a security guard there at the desk. They can Google some stuff for you.
Oh, that's fine. I have a computer at
Okay.
home.
I mean, that's pretty much the extent that I could sort of offer you any assistance.
Okay.
Sorry, man. I mean, I know what you're trying to do, and I think it's a good thing and all that, but this office that's not the type of service that they provide.
Okay. Well, alrighty then. I am gonna take a Jolly Rancher.
You kind of actually read my mind. You want one? Yeah.
Alrighty, well, so that appears to be it, ladies and gentlemen, for the city attorney's office. I'm gonna head back on down to the lobby now. Basically wasted my time.
Sorry.
Sorry. Which floor?
Two. Mr. Wood.
The one.
You have all your equipment.
Yeah, I came to ask the city attorney a question, but they don't provide legal counsel,
Oh,
apparently. Even though I was told to direct my question here.
This is two.
Oh, okay. Ooh, thanks. Almost got off on the wrong floor there. Well, that appears to be it for the city of Anaheim's attorney's office. Weird question all around, but shame we couldn't get it answered here. that's it. Cameraman out.